soul. Now it's the time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm